Good morning, Luna. Yeah, good girl. Morning, Socks. Good girl. Good morning and welcome back to the channel on what is a foggy day in the Bay Area. Misty even. Floor's a little wet. So, obviously, I'm gonna be riding today. If the weather's like that. Today we're gonna go to a car show, or a car meet actually. This one's in Menlo Park. You're gonna see a lot of exotic cars, a lot of supercars at this one. So yeah, go ahead. Cold start for the Ducati. Had to make a stop at Phil's. We're just gonna have a little bit of a drink. Then we're gonna head out to the show. I'll probably strap the camera to my chest so you can see the views on the bike. It's cold, it's misty a little bit, but we'll... All right, so we finally made it out to Menlo Park, and you can see this nice Ferrari. This is where I park next to. The show, the meet is actually over there. This is valet parking. They actually made a few people leave. Oh, not leave, but they made them go park at another spot because this is all considered valet. I'm surprised they didn't make me move, but so I'll just leave it here for now and go check out the cars. Let's go. This color is sick. I remember we were talking to you guys last time about what color trim should change her Fiat to. I'm actually liking this color a lot. It's not quite blueberry blue like she was saying before, but that's pretty sick. car show. They're the ones sponsoring it, so yeah. Of course, there's plenty in here. But there's also some Porsches, some McLarens, some Lamborghinis, but we're gonna go see what else is special out there. I mean, these are sick, but yeah. I think I saw a really nice Porsche out there. Let's go look. I wish you guys could see the color of this McLaren right here. It's bugging me because it looks blue sometimes, it looks white sometimes. I'm not sure what color this is, but this is really sick. It doesn't do it justice, I'm sure, in the video, especially the settings I have, but it's hard to tell. In some lights it looks white, some lights it looks blue, but I'm really loving it. Looks good. Look what else is here. Another Panigale. Yeah, I should add some of that carbon fiber to mine as well. Yeah, that's pretty sick. There goes mine. So you got the blacked out versus the white out. You know, my Porsche is white, so is the Lexus, so had to match it. But yeah. Now, unfortunately, there was a Porsche Carrera GT here earlier. It was parked out here for only a minute, maybe less. Oh, you're dirty. Sorry. And because this is considered valet parking and they weren't able to get in there, they were asked to go somewhere else, and now I couldn't find that car, so that's too bad. It's rare you get to see that car. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed for now. We're gonna hit the road, go back home. All right, so we are back home. I hope y'all enjoyed that car meet sponsored by Ferrari over there in Menlo Park. Next week I have something special, especially if you guys are into motorcycles. You'll see where I'll be at. You know, the car meets and things like that. I'll be doing that from time to time, but also some DIYs. With the weather getting a little bit less comfortable around here, we'll probably be doing some things in the garage. Maybe some parts for the cars, maybe some parts for the bike. Maybe another car, I don't know, probably not, but soon, or in the future. We'll probably be shooting with the Fiat as well, because we haven't really shot with that. And yeah, but yeah, next week, something very special, especially if you're into bikes. Yeah, hope you all enjoyed today's content, and please, if you did, like, subscribe. I hope to do this a lot more. Please comment below if there's something you'd like to see on the channel. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Later.